All right, we're going to talk a little bit about in Congress what it means to be a delegate and what it means to be a trustee. This is something actually we have gone over before, so it's going to be a very quick video. It's a pretty easy concept for the most part. Every congressman at one point or another has enacted both of those roles. This isn't something that's declared. It's just, the way you're acting, you kind of fall into one of these categories. We can I guess, define you. Very simply, if you are acting as a delegate, that means that you are doing exactly what your constituents, those people that elected you, exactly what they want you to do. It's almost like you're like a little puppet. You're doing exactly what they're calling for. If they do not like the idea of going to war with Canada, and you're like, oh, we really should, you're going to act as a delegate. A lot of times people act in a delegate role when it's something really controversial. If it's a really big concept, maybe they look to back home and see how they feel about it. But acting as a delegate is something that you do if you're doing exactly what your constituents want. Acting as a trustee is very simply, and usually this happens when people back home aren't paying attention. If you're acting as a trustee, that means that those people back home trust what you're doing. So you kind of go off on your own. Maybe like you go rogue and say, man, I don't think people back home really want to go to war, but I think it's the best thing, and I'm going to vote to go to war with Canada. So being a trustee and being a delegate, again, every congressman at one point or another will waffle into both these roles, depending on what the situation dictates. But that's what it means to be a delegate or a trustee. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I will see you later.